got some groceries again today after my workout. I got this baked salt and truffle chips. Got some samyang, some buldak and samyang noodles. This I was really intrigued by. It has durum wheat, red lentil and chickpea. Usually like healthy maida alternatives do not really taste that good, but I'm taking a chance. I got the seafood cup noodles. I watch Gomyang's channel a lot and she loves these soft waffles, so I wanted to try those. I also got like a couple of them, one for my bathroom, one for my car. And some peanut butter with black pepper. I don't really like sweet peanut butter and I usually use peanut butter for a lot of the stews and curries that I make. So this would be perfect. Okay, another noodle. This is the 4-cheese noodle. I've never tried this before and I'm super excited to try this. I got a deodorant, which is why I actually went to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store to buy a deodorant and ended up buying so many things. I bought a cold coffee, which I'll probably have tomorrow or maybe today evening, I don't know. And I got some baby oil. I really like baby oil to remove makeup. That's basically it. I get so tired after gym. I don't know how so many people go to work after doing a complete workout. And also, I am taking a personal trainer right now because honestly, whatever I was doing wasn't making a lot of improvement in my body. So it's been a long time since I've been to a good gym. So I thought I needed that extra help. And my trainer is amazing and I think there will be some changes, so I'm kind of excited to see progress by the end of the month. So yeah, but I'm happy that I joined this gym is pretty nice. It's close to my house as well. Yeah, this smells so good. It tastes amazing. It's so good. I want to have my Yakult also. Here's my Yakult. I'm trying to have like probiotics every day. This one, I think this one has artificial sweetener. Yes, it has stevia, I guess. That makes it taste so bad. It was the light version. I don't think I'm gonna have it again. I'm gonna get the red ones only. I have another pack of the red one, but I want to finish this one first because it tastes so bad. I guess you're supposed to have it on an empty stomach. I want to go watch. I'm watching this K-drama called Celebrity, which is crazy intense. And then I really need to get on with my editing. So I'm gonna edit a few of the videos and start posting them. I've been MIA for a long time since my birthday. Then I went to Chennai for my treatment and everything. I do want to try. I don't know if you're supposed to toast them first or you can just have them like that. They come in packaging like this. They had one frosted vanilla. I'll probably try that the next time. This tastes like cake. If you're not watching your diet, you can maybe add like whipped cream and strawberries, bananas, all that. And I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna toast it. On Sunday, I'm gonna make a nice breakfast with it. Love guava juice. This is what I came upstairs for. And then I started talking so much. Hi everyone, today I decided to film an H&M haul. I was in Chennai and I shopped so much from H&M, and also soon after I got home I ordered a few basic items and some gym wear from H&M again. So I thought let me film a haul video. I can show you guys everything that I got from Chennai and I recently ordered at home. So the footwear and accessories that I'll be using are not gonna be from H&M, but apart from that all the clothing items are from H&M. Even these lovely earrings that I got from H&M. I actually got another pair. I got this other H&M earring. I don't love the quality of it because like the color is already chipping. Fabric is like that of a swimming costume, so I guess you can also wear it as a swimming costume. Moving on to the next couple of items. This one I actually got to wear it with a sari. This also I want to wear with saris. Next up we have this top. I love this top. I love the back. So airy and summery. Next up we have this casual vest. I love this color. You can wear it outside. You can wear it to the gym. I have this amazing, this lovely dress. This is actually a size medium, but it fits perfectly. Like it's still loose. I love this dress. And I love the slit it has at the back. Now I have some of the gym and casual bits. So I got this sports bra and I'm wearing it with this sports shorts that I got. It's not really a set. I got the pants for 300 or something, and this one was original price probably 1499. So it's not a set. Even there's a slight color difference, but I got it nonetheless. Again, I can wear a different sports bra to give it a contrast, but you get the drift. This would be a great workout wear. The material of this, it's so nice. It's so smooth. Pants, I love them. I was walking around in Pondicherry wearing these. For the last one, I got this pair of leggings. I actually saw a friend of mine wear it and then I wanted it for myself. It looked so nice, but I feel it's not looking that great on me. So this is how it looks. I got few things from Spencer. I have been wanting this sambal oleg for a very long time. I want to make nasi goreng, mee goreng,